Sometimes we don't realize how noisy life has become until we find somewhere quiet enough to simply breathe. A place where mornings arrive a little slower, where every open door leads to another adventure, and the smallest moments become the ones we remember most. Because sometimes slowing down is the greatest journey we can take. We spend so much time searching for more, when maybe everything we need is closer than we realize. When we stop rushing, the world has a way of revealing things we've been too busy to notice. The views become richer. Footsteps become slower. And the simplest moments become the most meaningful. Perhaps the greatest adventures aren't measured by how far we travel, but by how deeply we experience each moment. Every road has a story. Every coastline. Every sunrise, waiting to be discovered. Some places ask nothing of us, except that we slow down to breathe a little deeper, to notice the moments we normally pass by, and to simply be. Because sometimes the greatest feeling of freedom isn't found at the end of the journey, but in the moments we almost forget to notice. It's only when we slow our pace that we begin to see life differently. Not through where we're heading, but through the moments that quietly stay with us. Moments that ask for nothing, except that we stop and truly appreciate them. Home isn't always found within four walls. Sometimes it's something we carry with us. A feeling of peace. A place where the noise begins to fade. And the world feels wonderfully uncomplicated. Perhaps that's what we've been searching for all along. Not every road tells us where it's leading. And perhaps that's the point. Curiosity asks us to keep moving, even when we don't know what's waiting ahead. Because every journey holds the possibility of discovering something unforgettable. I thought this journey was about finding new places. Instead, it's helped me see the world a little differently. Not because the landscape had changed, but because I had changed. Maybe that's what every journey is really about. Returning home, seeing the same world with different eyes. The best part of every journey is knowing it never really ends. There's always another road, another path to follow. Another view, waiting to take your breath away. And with every adventure comes another reason to keep exploring. The happiest moments are rarely the loudest. They begin with the simplest of routines. A peaceful morning, good company, and a place that somehow feels like home. No matter where we stop, there isn't a secret to this way of life. Just time to appreciate it. To notice the beauty that was there all along. I've realized that the places stay in our memories, but they're never the whole story. Because every view becomes a little more special when it's shared. The togetherness, the quiet moments, and the companions who never once cared where we were going, only that we were going there together. When I first set out, I thought I was searching for beautiful places, and I found them. But somewhere along the way, I discovered that the real journey was never about the destination. It was about slowing down, noticing more, and sharing it with those who matter the most. Those are the moments that stay with us. And perhaps that's why every ending feels like the beginning of something new.